friends, welcome to my channel. If you are one of my loyal subscribers, thank you so much for sticking around. If you are new here, I'm primarily a craft channel, do lots of seasonal decor, and just kind of share lots of odds and ends of what I find interesting. So that's why I named my channel Mimi's Mixed Bag. And I would really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. So today I am participating in Hillary of Old World Home, the Goodwill Challenge for Spring 2019. I'm a veteran participant. I've done this for several years now, and I think for the most part everyone knows how it goes. So let me show you what I bought and how I'm going to use it. Today I'm going to make a two-tiered tray, and if you don't already know, I do a lot of seasonal decor and farmhouse inspired things, and today is no exception. Now I went to the Goodwill bargain center, and what that is a place next door to my regular store that just sells clothes by the pound, and the knickknacks and things are just like serious yard sale prices, 50 cents and a quarter. And I picked up this little girl's framed print. It's from Target originally, and I may have paid 50 cents for this. That's the kind of prices they have in that bargain center. And then I don't know if it was the same trip or not. This was a Doug and Melissa. It's a little farm cube puzzle tray, and I thought this would be perfect for the top tier of my tray. Now my husband just happened to have this piece of wood, so I'm basically just going to put a screw coming from the bottom and a screw coming from the top, and there you go. And that's going to create my two-tiered tray. Can't get more simple than that. But a couple other things I picked up to decorate my tray. This was also in the bargain center. It was a 6-pack of these little wooden doll bodies. And I thought that they were cylinder enough that I'm going to paint them orange and make them into some little carrots to put on my tray. I thought that would be really cute. I have my 3 pieces all attached now. The nail went up with a little wood glue. The top nail went down with a little wood glue, just centering up on each tray. I'm going to let this Gorilla Glue dry overnight just to give it all the stability it can. I want to show you what I've done so far. All right, I painted my little doll bodies orange, and then just took some orange twine I had and wrapped them. It just gave them a little, I didn't have to wrap them, but I just thought that yarn wrapped give it a little more texture. Had these little bit of greenery in my stash. I'm going to cut off some of these little twigs. I'm going to hot glue a few little twigs in the top of these to give them a more carrot look. Now, as far as my stand here, I'm going to make my own chalk paint. I do this all the time. I have bought the Waverly. That's good stuff at Walmart. This little recipe, you can turn any 50-cent craft paint into chalk paint. Use the whole bottle and then 2 tablespoons of plaster Paris powder. You can buy this at any craft store, Walmart, and then just a splash of water, maybe a tablespoon of water. And then I'll put the recipe down below to make sure you have do-it-yourself chalk paint. This is the color khaki, apple barrel from Walmart. I got 1 coat on my tray and I'm letting that dry. But what I wanted to show you is just look at these carrots. I mean, how cute did these turn out? I just love them. I'm so glad I grabbed these little doll bodies and just made the cutest little wooden carrots. All right, it's the next morning. I'm ready to put a finish spray on it, but it's just a little too khaki for me, so I'm just going to dry brush a little white on it because I'm not real crazy about the color. A little bit. I decided to do a little dry brushing technique, and all that is you just dab some paint and just dry your brush off, kind of distress it all the way around. It was just enough where it took it from solid color to a little distressed look, and I love the look of this. Now to finish it out, I could leave it as is. A lot of farmhouse decor is very matte and plain looking, or I can do some of these finishing sprays. Krylon has one, Rust-Oleum has one. It's not going to change the looks of it very much, but it will kind of protect the finish a little bit. If you're doing furniture with chalk paint and things, you can use this Minwax polyacrylic. This stuff is great to do furniture with. That's the brush-on kind. So I'm just going to do a little spray just to protect my distressing and everything, and then I'll be ready to decorate. All right, friends, here is my finished tiered tray, all decorated and ready for spring. I would say that 90% of everything you see on this tray was thrifted throughout this past year. I did purchase the eggs from Dollar Tree, the seed packets, the little faux rosemary come from Hobby Lobby for a couple dollars, and I did buy this candle at Marshall's. But everything else you see, the little pots, the rabbits, you know, of course my carrots, So cute on this tray, and just paid pennies for them at the thrift store. Absolutely love it. So I hope this inspires you to decorate for spring and to go thrifting. Be sure and check out the other participants. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.